Let's meet down at the lonely lake. Before summer has gone away. Swim out under a broken sky.
My house is one step away from the forest. This forest, even is not too big, but the place I often go for a walk and unwind every day. When I first came to Finland, I was quite surprised that many houses and apartments locate next to the forest. Later, I understand that getting along with nature makes us happier, less stressed, and a big reason why Finland is the happiest country in the world.
So let's lay under the falling moon.
I can feel the cool and the fresh air, filled with the scent of pine and soil, mingled with the sweet fragrance of summer wildflowers. Do you know that we have an innate bond with the natural world, which science refers to as biophilia? It's the idea that the earth is alive and she has the power to heal. The term biophilia was invented by the biologist Edward O. Wilson in 1984. It literally means love of life or love of living systems. Wilson hypothesized that humans have an innate bond, an innate tendency to seek connections with nature and other forms of life. This isn't just preference, but a biological need that's deeply ingrained in our DNA due to our evolutionary history. The biophilia hypothesis suggests that our connection with nature is essential for our physical and mental well-being. This explains why we feel more relaxed in natural settings, why we draw to parks in the cities, and why we keep houseplants, and even why we calmed by nature sounds or images.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you till the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story is just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure.
In midsummer, we visit Suomenlinna Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a fortress rich in history, offering stunning views and plenty of places to explore. Midsummer, or Juhannus in Finnish, is a significant celebration in Finland, making the longest day of the year and the summer solstice. It takes place on the Saturday between the 20th and the 26th of June. Midsummer symbolizes light, warmth, and the renewal of nature. It's a time for rejoicing in the light and the beauty of summer. The easiest way to get to Suomenlinna is by taking a ferry from the market square. It's a quick 15 to 20 minute ride, and along the way, you get some fantastic views of the archipelago. This sea fortress spans 6 interconnected islands and plays a crucial role in Finland's history. Suomenlinna was built in the mid-18th century when Finland was under Swedish rule. The fortress played a major role in defending against Russian forces and was later handed over to Russia after the Finnish War in 1808. In 1917, Suomenlinna was handed over to Finnish control, and it was renamed to reflect its national importance. Over time, it transforms from a military site to a peaceful civilian area, and in 1991, it was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, symbolizing the blending of history, culture, and nature. Today, Suomenlinna is not just a historical site, but a vibrant district of Helsinki. It's a great place to relax, enjoy a picnic, or take the stroll along the sea. The island has plenty of spots to unwind and take in breathtaking views of the surrounding waters and Helsinki's skyline.